Insert the new air filter into the assembly. Make sure that the edges of the filter are flush with the assembly. You should change your air filter at least once a year or every 20,000 miles, whichever comes first. If you drive in dusty or sandy areas, you should replace your filter more frequently. Reattach the housing. Make sure that it fits securely. Secure the housing to the air filter assembly by attaching the fasteners. Never operate your vehicle without an air filter. Replace the bolt. Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.